In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to replace a missing field cover on a 2018 Ford Transit HD 350. So let's begin. Here are some of the tools that you will need. You will need a screwdriver. Most likely, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver that's a little larger than this one. 7mm socket, a T25 1/4" ratchet with a 1/4" extension. We have 3 screws to remove with the T25, 1 on top and 2 down below. Next, we're going to use our screwdriver to remove the panel down below. Now we need a 7mm to remove the 3 screws that support the DEF filler tube. Loosen your DEF cap, place the screwdriver behind the housing and pry out the housing. Again, make sure your DEF cap is completely free. Now you want to pry out your housing over the fuel filler tube. Last but least, release the strap for your DEF cap. That's all it takes to remove your old housing. Here's our new housing, part number, and price range. I received this part from my local Ford dealer. Next, we're going to remove our front cover for our DEF. Most likely this part never seemed to get damaged, so we're just going to reuse it and mount it onto our new housing. If you need this part, you can also get it from your local Ford dealer, and of course, online. All we have to do is just snap it in place. Now is a good time to transfer the DEF cap. This is the part number for the top outer cover for our fuel filter housing. I also received this part from my local Ford dealer. All we have to do is just snap it in place, as you can see. That will finalize all the parts that need to be attached. Now we are ready to install our new housing. Place the strap for the DEF cap back on the DEF filler tube. Now we will slide the housing through the fuel filter tube. Tap on it and allow it to snap in place. Line up the DEF tube to install the 3 screws using a 7mm. Next, we need to install the 3 screws that use the T25, 1 on top, 2 below. Place back our panel. Just tap it in. That's all it takes to replace the housing for your fuel and DEF filler. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care and God bless.